Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to tag someone in your Instagram story. If you've ever wanted your friends, family, or followers to be a part of your story, or you just want to give a shout out to someone you admire, tagging them makes sure they're notified and easily visible to others. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start doing it right away. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. At the top of the screen, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it, and from the options that appear, select Story. This is where you can either take a new photo or video, or choose one from your camera roll. Once you've got your picture or video ready, you're ready for the tagging part. Next, look at the tools on the top of your screen. You'll see both a text icon and a sticker icon. You can tag someone using either one, but the most common method is through the sticker option. Tap the sticker icon, then select the @mention sticker. A text box will appear where you can type the username of the person you want to tag. As you type, Instagram will suggest accounts that match. Simply select the right username from the list. Once the tag is added, you can move it around and place it anywhere on your story. You can adjust the size, rotate it, or drag it to fit perfectly with your picture or video style. This little detail makes your story stand out while also highlighting the tagged person. When you're all set and happy with the way it looks, the final step is to tap your story at the bottom of the screen. Once posted, your followers will see your story along with the tag, and the person you mentioned will get a notification. If someone taps their username in the story, they'll be taken directly to that person's profile, and that's it. Tagging someone on your Instagram story is a quick way to connect, share, and engage. Now that you know the steps, try it out and make your stories more interactive and fun.